Hi, hello students. Welcome back to mathematics class. In this video, we are going to learn exercise 15C. The question number is 2. Find the area of the following figures. We have two figures. We are going to find out area of the such figure. The first one is solution C. The side of the hexagonal is 5 meter each. All sides are equal. So it's a regular hexagon. So regular hexagon, which means all sides of particular polygon is equal. The polygon is called a regular polygon. So here hexagon means all sides. The polygon has 6 sides, which means a hexagon. Hexagon is all sides are equal here. So it's a regular hexagon. So regular hexagon area. This is we are going to find out area of the regular hexagon. If you are joining the opposite vertices in the regular hexagon, it forms a 6 equilateral triangle. We know that. So opposite vertices we join பண்றேன். Make 6 equilateral triangles. This is the first one, second, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's formed 6 equilateral triangles. So 6 equilateral triangle form பண்ணுது. So we are going to find out area of the hexagon. So area of the hexagon. Area of the hexagon is equal to. So here all sides are equal. So here also 5 meters. So all sides are equal of the hexagon. So 6 equilateral triangle கிடைச்சது. 6 equilateral triangle. So 6 equilateral triangle area find பண்ண போறோம். So area of the 6 equilateral triangle because it's a regular hexagon. So regular hexagon நால அப்படியே opposite vertices join பண்ணும்போது 6 equilateral triangle கிடைச்சிருக்கு. So area of the hexagon is equal to 6 equilateral triangle. So 6 equilateral triangle area equal ஆகும். So area of the 6 equilateral triangle. Area of the 6 equilateral triangle. Area of the 6 equilateral triangle. So first term area of the equilateral triangle formula. Area of the equilateral triangle. Area of the equilateral triangle is equal to. So area of an equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 is divided by 4 into a square units. So root 3 by 4 into a square units. See here 6 equilateral triangle. So area of an 6 equilateral triangle. Area of and 6 equilateral triangle. Area of 6 equilateral triangle is equal to area of hexagon போடலாமா? Area of the hexagon is equal to 6 into root 3 by 4 into a square because of area of hexagon equilateral triangle 6 equilateral triangle area equal area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into a square 6 equilateral triangle வந்து hexagon equal ஆகிறதுனால நம்ம ஃபார்முலா இங்க அப்ளை பண்றோம். So 6 into root 3 by 4 a square. So 6 into the value of root 3 1.732 is divided by here 4 into side of the equilateral triangle is 5 meters. So equilateral side 5. So 5 square right பண்றேன். So 6 is divided by 4. We cancel பண்ணா 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. So 3 into 1.732 is divided by 2 into 5 5s are 25. So 1.732 2 cancel பண்ணா 1 2 is 2. So the point is first 0 point வந்துரும். So point 8 2s are 16, remaining 1, 6 2s are 12, remaining 1, again 6 2s are 12. 3 into 0.866 into 25. So 25 3 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா 75 கிடைக்கும். So 75 into so 75 மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா என்ன நம்பர் கூட 0.866 கூட. So 0.866 is multiplied with 75. 75 ஆல multiply பண்றேன். So into 0.86 னா 866 ஆல multiply பண்ணிக்கலாம் first. So 5 6 are 30, remaining 3, 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 3 33, remaining 3, 5 8 are 40, 40 plus 3 43. So 7 ஆல multiply பண்ணா 7 6 are 42, remaining 4, 7 6 are 42, 42 plus 4 is 46, remaining 4, 7 8 are 56 plus 4 is 16. So add பண்ணும்போது 0 5, 6 plus 3 is 9 and 4 here 6 கிடைக்கும். So 3 decimal place point கொடுக்கும்போது 64.950 64.950 0 value இல்ல so விட்டுலாம். So 64.95 meter square. Therefore area of the hexagon is 64.95 meters square. This is area of the given hexagon. The next one, subdivision D. So rectangle le two edge liyu hexagon meet பண்ணிருக்கு. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 side இருக்கு. Here also 6 side. So rectangle shape உடைய two edge two bases liyu two hexagon joint ஆயிருக்கு. So the overall region உடைய figure உடைய area find பண்ண போறோம். So how to find the area? So first area of the rectangle plus area of two hexagon. So area of rectangle area of the two hexagon உடைய area separate find பண்ணி add பண்ணா total area தெரிஞ்சிடும். So area of the given figure, area of the given figure is equal to area of the rectangle, area of the rectangle plus area of the hexagon, area of the two hexagons, two hexagons உடைய area find பண்றோம். So here two hexagons are same measurement, 40 cm each all the side. Here also 40 cm each all the sides. So all sides are measurement is equal to 40 cm for the hexagon. Rectangle உடைய length and breadth separate first find பண்ணிக்கலாம். area first find பண்றேன். Area of the rectangle first, area of the rectangle is equal to L into B square units. Area of the rectangle L into B square units. Here length of the rectangle is 200. So 200 is the length, rectangle length. Breadth of the rectangle 40 cm. So 200 is the length of the rectangle, 40 cm breadth of the rectangle. So 2 4s are 8, 2 plus 1 30. So 30 apply பண்ணா 800 centimeter square. This is area of the rectangle. And area of the hexagon, area of the two hexagon, area of the hexagons. So formula என்ன பண்ணுவோம், 6 into, so 6 equal to triangle form ஆகும். So 6 into root 3 by 4 into a square square units. This is formula for area of hexagon. Hexagon உடைய area formula 6 into root 3 by 4 a square. Here two hexagons are same measurement. So என்ன பண்ணலாம், two hexagon எழுதிக்கலாம். So area of two hexagon is equal to 2 into 6 are multiply அதே value. So 6 root 3 by 4 a square. So one hexagon area 6 into root 3 by 4 a square. So two hexagon இருக்கு. So area of two hexagon is equal to 2 into, so same measurement இருக்கிறதுனால 2 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிக்கிறேன். So 2 into, so 2 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. So here 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6 வந்துரும். So 3 into root 3 a square இதுதான் ஆன்சர் வரும். So வேல்யூ அப்ளை பண்றது 3 into root 3 உடைய வேல்யூ 1.732 into side of the hexagon 40. So 40 square na 40 into 40 எழுதலாம். So 3 into, so 3 ல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணலாம். 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, 1 total remaining 2, 3 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 5. So 3 decimal place கொடுக்கிறோம் 5.196 plus 4 4s are 16. So 20 இங்க வந்துரும். So 1600. So into multiply வா, multiply. So 1600 கூட multiply பண்றோம். 5.196 is multiply with 1600. So 16 ஆல multiply பண்ணிடலாம். 6 6 are 36, remaining 3, 6 9s are 54, 54 plus 3 is 57, remaining 5, 6 1 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11, remaining 1, 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 1 31. So one time multiply பண்ணா same number தான் கிடைக்கும். So one time multiply பண்ணிடுறேன். So 6 7 plus 6 13, remaining 1, 9 plus 2 11. So 3 5 plus 3 is 8. So 3 decimal place கொடுக்கிறோம். So 1600. So இங்க 20 ஆட் பண்ணிடுறேன். 3 decimal place கொடுக்குற அப்படின வேல்யூ 8313.6 கிடைக்கும். So last 0 வேல்யூ எல்லாம் விட்டலாம். So 0.6 meter square. So area of the hexagon இது. So total area வேணும். So total area which means area of the sphere is equal to total area is equal to area of the rectangle 8000, area of the hexagon 8313.6. So add பண்ணா 8000 plus 8000 16000 ஆ. So 16313.6 எவ்வளவு ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணிருக்கோம்னா 16313.6 cm square னு ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணிருக்கோம். So இதோட ஏரியா என்ன பண்றோம் சென்டிமீட்டர் ஸ்கொயர்ல இருந்து மீட்டர் ஸ்கொயரா சேஞ்ச் பண்றோம். So 6 cm square னு சொல்லி கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So 1 meter is equal to 100 cm. So 1 meter னா 100 cm. So 1 meter square is equal to so the 100 square பண்ண கிடைக்கும். So 40 வந்துரும் 10000 centimeter square. So 1 meter square is equal to 10000 centimeter square. So the value பாருங்க. So 10000 ஆல டிவைட் பண்றோம் 16313.6 10000 ஆல டிவைட் பண்ணும்போது மீட்டர் ஸ்கொயர் சேஞ்ச் ஆகும். it will change as a centimeter square. So 1 2 3 4 40 denominator இருக்கு. So 40 லெஃப்ட்ல மூவ் பண்றோம் towards left side. So 1 2 3 4 6 மூவ் பண்றோம் 1.63136 meter square. This is the total area of the given figure. So here next one. Thank you.